Hi everyone, again my name is Stephen Washington and I am a certified Pilates and Qigong instructor and a certified massage therapist. I have a question for you today. Do you suffer from knee pain? If you do, then I may have something that can help you. There are many knee issues that one can have where you will need the assistance of a doctor, but there are some problems with the knee that you can actually resolve on your own. Let me just give you a few facts about the knee. First of all, your knees are complicated joints. They move like a door hinge. So that means that they allow you to bend and straighten your leg so that you can sit, you can squat, you can jump, and you can run. There are 4 components to your knees. They're your bones, your cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. It's really important to have strong quadriceps because strong quadriceps support the structures of your knees. So today's session is all going to be about strengthening, stretching, and massaging your quadriceps. But before we begin the movement, just let me remind you to listen to your body. Do what you can, but don't do what you can't. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you'll do is you'll use an exercise band. I have a blue TheraBand exercise band, which is like a medium strength, and because we're working on legs and leg strengthening, you can go medium to heavy, but you want to make sure that it's not so heavy that you can't fully do the exercise. So you will take the band and you'll place your foot on top of it, and then you'll just cross over the band almost like the strap of a sandal, like so, and then you will tie the band to the back of your chair, and you can tie it to the back of your chair leg or another structure that's sturdy that's further behind you, and you want to just tie it at about ankle level. And then from here you'll just sit tall in your chair. Okay? This exercise can also be done with shoes on, but I'm choosing not to use shoes. So you'll sit tall in your chair and you'll take a deep breath in. You'll lift your foot so that there's a little tension in the band, and you'll straighten your leg to almost about 15 or 20 degrees. As you exhale, you'll extend your knee all the way, making sure that you fire up your quadriceps, your vastus medius obliquus, and you'll hold it for 1 full breath. So we'll inhale here, and then exhale, and inhale. You'll return to your starting position, and again that's to about 15 to 20 degree knee bend. Take a deep breath and exhale, extend your knee. And hold for 1 full breath. And exhale. Inhale as you bend. And exhale. Extend. And hold it for 1 full breath. Inhaling. And exhaling. And inhale. So you'll do that for 10 repetitions. Each leg. Couple of things to think about when you're doing it. Make sure that you're again sitting nice and tall and that your thigh is relaxed on your chair. Try not to lift your thigh off the chair because that's going to throw you too much into your hip flexors. You really want to just focus on your quads. Do make sure that you only bend your knee to about that 15 or 20 degree, and it's at the last few degrees of your extension where you finally feel this muscle fire up. So you want to make sure that you achieve that each and every time. So remember, 10 on each leg. Okay, the next thing you'll do is massage your quads. It's so important that we massage muscles that are worked, tired, and fatigued or tight. What I like to use to massage my quads generally is a foam roller. I'll lay it on the ground and I'll roll over my quadriceps using the foam roller and just my body weight. But sometimes I also use what's known as a massage wand. And if you don't have a massage wand, but you do have a rolling pin in your kitchen, that will work just as well. And basically you just take the massage wand and you just place it at the top of the thigh, and then you just run up and down the muscle. Going along the center of the muscle, but you can also go along the medial surface of the muscle and also more towards the lateral on the outside. Now, if you don't have a massage wand or rolling pin, you know what will do just fine as well? A can. I have a can of beans here. If you place your can of beans on your thigh and just run the can up and down, you can give yourself a little massage here as well. Yep. So you can find smaller little areas and just focus on the small areas and then move along these muscle structures. Yeah. Massaging is great because what it also does is it loosens tight muscles, but it also brings blood flow so that we're able to improve our circulation into these parts of the body. Okay, so the last segment of this video, we will do some stretching for your quads. There are many different ways that you can stretch your quads, but in this short video, I'm only going to show you one technique. Listen to your body. This stretch might be too much for some of you if you have advanced issues with your knees. So I have a chair here to use as a support and balance, so feel free to use a chair, use a wall, use a countertop, whatever you need if you have difficulty balancing. So standing, shifting my weight over to my left leg, I'm going to lift my right foot off the ground, and I'm going to grab my right foot and ankle with my left hand. Keeping my knees close together. Right now my inner thighs are touching. That is ideal. If you hold on to the same foot and hand, what tends to happen is the knee tends to float out to the side. You really want to make sure that the knee tracks in line with your hip. So having the foot in the opposite hand helps to make that happen. Press your pubic bone forward towards the wall and draw your belly in. Hold the stretch for anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute, minute and a half, and that should suffice. Good, now we do the same thing on the other side. Now whenever you're stretching one side of the body then the other side, stretching a particular muscle group, just take a moment to check in and notice any differences from one side to the other. For instance, for me today in this moment, my left quadricep muscle is a bit tighter than my right quadricep. So that's always interesting. That just tells me that I need to stretch my left quadricep a bit more. Take a breath and then relax and shake your legs out. So I hope that this video was useful and helping you gain a little bit more insight about these beautiful joints that we have, our knees, and simple things that you can do to assist yourself in creating stronger, more stable knees and stronger and more flexible and pain-free leg muscles. All right, see you all soon.